Hello, hello. Am I audible now? Hello. Hello, hello. Am I audible now? Yes, now it is clear, I guess. Hello. Yes, welcome all of you. Sorry for the technical issue. I guess it is rectified now and the audio and video is clear. Yeah, Harsh, please wait. We are just sorting it out. So I hope it is clear. Audio video clear now. Okay, so let's start. So today we are discussing the question paper of physics, biotechnology, ecology, GATE exam question paper of Saturday forenoon session. Forenoon. These three subjects have the same question paper itself. That section we are discussing. Tomorrow 6 p.m. we will be discussing the life science question paper or the afternoon session. Yeah, today more forenoon session. Civil engineering also in engineering stream and pure science streams also. These subjects have the same question paper. So let us start. For the new people, you can check out all the question papers. Paper analysis is done till last week's. All the subjects are covered. Today, tomorrow, and next 2 days. So 4 more days this paper analysis series will continue, so that we will cover all the question papers. So invite your friends also whoever want to attend this paper analysis session. And we have done a complete course on GATE General Aptitude. We have covered in this course. The most important topics mainly we have completed in that. So you can check it out, and questions from those topics came almost 7 to 8 questions out of 10 questions. 7 to 8 questions from those important chapters we discussed itself questions came. And last week paper analysis session, from that many questions got repeated. So those of you attended that course and the paper analysis series, I hope you were able to do well, and happy to hear from many of you that you could do well in this Saturdays and Sundays exams. So physics students also, life science students also, biotechnology students also, many of you have let me know, and so happy to hear from you all that you could do well in the aptitude section. So, and new students, you can be part of my Telegram channel, Telegram group and WhatsApp group for further updates and daily free materials, daily quizzes, daily videos, etc. And in my Christy's classes mobile application, you can find more free resources. In Google Play Store, you can find that mobile application. And my daily free classes in Unacademy also you can follow if you want to. And at 11 a.m. daily, free classes happen in the Unacademy free platform. CSIR-UGC NET category is where I teach the general aptitude classes there. Okay, so let us start today's session. 1 second. Okay, this is the first question. All of you make a try. Very simple question. Yeah, this kind of question was there in 3 set of question paper in the last week's exams also. Same type repeated, homophones type repeated again. Okay, most of you got it right, so I will start explaining. Just a minute. So you should dash when to say no. You should know when to say no. That is, you should know this no. You should know when to say no. Yeah, this no means to understand. This no means, yeah, no. I don't have to explain the meaning of no, no. So anyway, option C is the correct answer. Another homophones question. 3 set of question paper. Before this already had homophones question, that tire question, and also that heel question. And another question was, one more was there, tire, fair question, and now no. Words which sound same but means differently, that are called homophones. So homophones based question, option C is the answer. Okay, and special thanks to Pratik, Srishti and Swati for compiling all these questions. The Saturday's question paper, we could get more clear question because many of you send me questions of questions that you remembered, and Pratik, Srishti, Swati have compiled all of them also. So big thanks to all of you for that. So try the next question. This is the comprehension question, came in this question paper. Make a try, all of you. Depend with the life science will be discussed tomorrow. Today biotechnology, physics, ecology, chemical, civil engineering first slot. All those question papers, aptitude section was common, same time slot. That is what we are discussing. This is correlated, not correlates, correlated at a young age but not old age. It is not healthy, again, as it is memory based wordings, some correction are there. This is eating healthy. Eating healthy is more important for adults and kids, and here also eating healthy is important for those with good health conditions but not for others. All of you tried? All of you tried now, so I will explain. Healthy eating is a critical component of healthy aging. Healthy aging, A-G-I-N-G, A-G-E-I-N-G, both means the same itself. So aging means the process of getting older or process of getting aged. When should one start healthy eating or eating healthy? It turns out that it is never too early. Never too early. This keyword is very important. Never too early. For example, babies who start eating healthy in the first year are more likely to have better overall health as they get older. That means as early as possible, if you are eating healthy food, that much better it is for your health. And that is told in option B correctly. Eating healthy can be started at any age. Earlier the better. Never too early. Earlier the better, you can connect here. So clearly option B is making sense. Other options, let's have a quick check at other option. Eating healthy and better overall health are more correlated at a young age but not old age. No, it is not saying that old age it is not correlated at all. It is only telling that earlier if you start, that much better it is. So definitely option A, we cannot say it is correct. Eating healthy is more important for adults than kids. No, earlier the better it is mentioned, and never too early. So option C is also wrong. Eating healthy is important for those with good health conditions but not for others. No, it is telling nothing about good health conditions or anything. It is telling that as early as possible, if you can start eating healthy, that much better it is for you. So option B only can be inferred from the given passage. Hope that is clear to all of you. Then let's go to the next question. Yeah, this question all of you try. Slight variations in the wordings can be there, but the idea of the question is this. All of you make an attempt. Very simple question. Yeah, those of you who attempted this question paper, you can tell if there is any correction in the question, and after the solution you can tell whether you got the same answer or not also, so that there is more interaction in this class. No problem, Pathatri. All of you tried? Mention your answer first. Okay, so start explaining. Option A and option B. Many of you got? Yes, option B is the correct answer. If in exam time you got option B, it is correct. Let's see how option B is the answer. Yeah, if the question is exactly like this, option B should be the correct answer. That is what I am saying. If there is any deviations in the ratio, there will be difference, but students have checked multiple sources and compiled this, so definitely the question is correct. So P is to Q is 1:2. So let us take examples, that will be a better way. P and Q. If 1 is P, Q is 2. But remember, you may have to change your examples which satisfies all the condition. So, no problem, Harsh, no problem. Okay. So anyway, P, Q, then R and S is there now. Q is to R is 4:3. Q is to R is 4:3 means if Q is 4, R is 3. But when Q is 4, you have to accordingly adjust P now. If Q is 4, P will be 2. Are you all understanding? So that 1:2 ratio can be obtained. For that purpose, what I did? I just doubled both the numbers so that the ratio 1:2 is not dissatisfied. And with this, you can satisfy this also. R will be 3. But there is another problem. R is to S is 4:5. R is to S is 4:5 means this 3 is not okay. 3 is not okay. You need to find, you can take the LCM and simplify, that will be better or easier. Because you need to make an example for R which satisfies 2:4 that or 1:2 of P and Q, and Q is to R 4:3 ratio. Also, that should satisfy 4:5 ratio of R and S. So what you can do is, you can multiply 4 and 3, the LCM is 12 now. So multiply this by 4, but when you are multiplying this by 4, all the terms should be multiplied by 4 so that 2:4:3 ratio is not dissatisfied. And then you multiply this by 3, but when you are multiplying this by 3, this also you need to multiply by 3. Are you all getting the point? Just for explanation purpose, I am telling like this. Once you got the idea, directly you can write it. No need to write any intermediate steps. So we can say PQRS, we got a final value. Let 2 into 4 8, 4 into 4 16, 3 into 4 12, and that 12 is satisfying this ratio also, this ratio also. So that is totally correct. And then 5 into 3 15. Just for our satisfaction, let us check whether all the conditions are satisfied or not. 8:16, P is to Q. Is it satisfying 1:2? Yes. 4:3, 16:12. 16 by 12 is 4 by 3 na? So that is satisfying 4:3. Q is to R is 4:3. R is to S, R is to S, 12:15. 12:15, if you cancel the common 3, you will get 4:5 itself. So this is a set of example which satisfies the given ratios. This is a set of example which satisfies given ratio. Now, what will be P is to U? So P is to U if U is 50% more than S. P is to U is the question. P we know that it is 8. And what is U? 50% more than S. If P is 8, S is 15, 50% more than S means 3 by 2 times 15. Now 3 by 2 times 15. Yeah, that comparison idea should be clear. Why 3 by 2 times? Because 100% of U, 100% of S plus 50% of S. That's the meaning of 50% more. Now 100% of S plus 50% of S will be equal to U. So we can say 150% of S equal to U. That is 3 by 2 of S. Or simply speaking, 1S plus half S is 1.5 S now. So we can say U can be written as 1.5 S or 3 by 2 S, and S we have taken example 15. So 3 by 2 times 15, and this is what you need to find finally. So simplify this. 2 goes to the top, 16 by 3 into 15, 45. Yeah, there may be faster solution. I am just telling the solution that is coming to my mind. I just got all these questions today and I was just checking. This is one of the solution. There can be faster solution. Anyway, hope this solution is clear to all of you. Option B is the correct answer. 16 by 45 means 16:45. Option B. Any doubts? If it is clear, mention in the chat. So if you have got 16:45, your answer is right. Let's go to the next question then. Yeah, there was a blood relation question asked in this set. Blood relation question we discussed in our course. Even if 3 or 4 times only blood relation question was asked till now before this exam, this time one question was there. We have discussed that question. Compared to that, this is a very simple blood relation problem, because very complicated versions of blood relation questions were asked in GATE exam earlier. But this is simpler one. Try it. Draw the relationship tree just like we discussed in our course. Very good, many of you got it. Yes, if you have got option B, uncle, you are right. Uncle is the correct answer. So I will just show you. P is the sister of Q. So you should know how to draw a relationship tree. P sister of Q means P and Q are in the same generation. P is the sister, we can say P is the female person. Q is male or female, right now we don't know. So I am denoting circle for female, square for male. You can use any notations, circle, square, one way, otherwise plus minus you can put. Yeah, plus minus, there is some political incorrectness in that. If we connect plus to positive and minus to negative, that is why the circle square will be more convenient, or whichever you feel comfortable with, whichever you will remember easily, you can choose that notation. It is just for your understanding purpose. So P is the sister, so P will be the female person. Q male or female, right now we don't know, but the next sentence clarifies. Q is the husband. Q is the husband of R. Q is the husband of R means Q is the male person. So that means Q is the brother of P also. P is the sister of Q does not mean Q necessarily should be sister of P itself. Q can be brother or sister. So Q is brother here. How we know? Because Q is male person, because Q is the husband of R. R is the mother of, so Q is the husband of R. So R should be female, as Q is the husband. So they are married to each other. R is the mother of S. Mother means S will be in the below generation, bottom generation compared to R. R is the mother of S. We don't know still S is male or female. T is the husband of P. T is the husband of P. T is the husband. These two are married to each other. T is the husband of P. As T is male, I am using square or rectangle to represent. Then how T is related to S? How T is related to S? First of all, you can eliminate two options. T and S are in two different generations and just below generation. So grandfather, it is 2 generation up. Second generation, that is why it is wrong. Brother, same generation, that cannot be possible. So uncle or father only can be possible. And father cannot be possible. Why? Already we know the father of S. Q and R are parents of S. R is the mother of S means Q will be the father of S. Because question says Q is married to R. So definitely father is also eliminated. At the time of exam, elimination itself gives you the answer. And directly concluding it also is not a difficult task at all. Why? Uncle is the correct answer because S's father is Q. That Q's sister's husband. Q's, that means father's sister's husband. Father's sister's husband is uncle itself. No? That's a limitation of English language, as I told in the blood relation chapter. Father's sister's husband is also uncle. Father's brother is also uncle. Mother's brother is also uncle. Mother's sister's husband is also uncle. All have a common term uncle only. But in our Indian languages, we have different names for all these. Now, so that is one limitation of English language, that is limited words to represent many relations. So anyway, option B, uncle is the correct answer. Hope that is clear. Elimination, if you use, you can be more sure about it without even worrying more about the exact relation. Also, you can eliminate the other three options. Hope that is clear to all of you. Uncle is the correct answer. Then yeah, try this question itself. Monetary problem or finding the problem. Yeah, kind of ratio proportion idea itself is used here. Make a try, all of you. Yes, Harsh. There are different words in Hindi. Yes, Harsh. Answer options you can substitute and do. Elimination method also totally works. Any answers, all of you? Okay, then I will start explaining. P and Q were partners. P invested 5,000 each for 6 months. So can you tell me total investment by P? 5,000 each for 6 months means 5,000 into 6. 30,000. 30k is the investment of P. Q invested amount X for 8 months. So Q's 8-month investment will be 8x. 8x. Yeah, 30k, k and x, don't think that both are constants. 30,000 for short form 30k. So 30,000 and 8x. After 1 year, Q gets profit share of 4:9 with respect to his investment. What should be the value of x? So Q gets 4:9 means, can you tell me how much P gets with respect to fraction? 4:9 P gets means 5:9 Q should get, na? Because 4:9 means if 9 rupees is there, 4 rupees is the share of Q. So remaining 5 rupee will be the share of P, na? Are you understanding? Q gets 4 out of 9 means P will get 5 out of 9. 5 out of 9. Or in other words, we can say P is to Q ratio will be Q get 4/9, P get 5/9. So 5/9 by 4/9. 5/4, 9 is common. 5/4 is the ratio of P's amount to Q's amount, or what P get, P's share to Q's share, and that is what is given here also, na? 5:4 is equal to P's investment 30,000 equal to 8 is to 8x. Understanding? So equate that, because when getting the share, profit share, whatever ratio, that should be equal to the investment ratio itself. No? For example, simple example I will tell you. You and your friends, you invested 5 lakh rupee and your friend invested 2 lakh rupee only. And after doing the business, total 7 lakh you got as profit. So in that 7 lakh or 70,000 you got, you think. 5 lakh you invested, 2 lakh your friend invested. That means your friend invested only much less than your investment. So definitely the profit share also he will be getting much less than what you should get now. Or if 70,000 if total profit is getting, you should get 50,000 of it and he should get 20,000 of it itself. Same logic. Investment, whatever is the ratio, same ratio should be maintained for the profit share also, na? That's a basic logic of a business. So definitely here also the profit share of the business ratio is 5:4. So that should be equal to the investment ratio also. From that you can find the value of x. So simplify it to 6,000. X is equal to 6,000 by 2, 3,000. So 3,000 is the answer. As Harsh mentioned, you can substitute options also, but I am not trying it because if option 3,000 was there in fourth option, many times you have to try. That also gives you the answer, or to make you understand the question, at least you can take options and try also. Anyway, hope this is clear to all of you. So the correct answer should be 3,000. If that is clear, let's go to the next question. Yeah, this question was very similar to a paper analysis, last week paper analysis of I think Saturday's or Sunday's question paper. There was a question like this, which was little more simpler than this, I agree, because the picture that is coming was little more simpler. But I have taught you plotting the poems just like school days and finding the picture and finding the answer. That is enough here. So try it. And those of you got the answer at the time of exam, if you remember what answer you got, that you can mention, or try it now and answer it. Give you one or 2 minutes. Don't worry, Kripavaram, I will explain. Continue trying. We'll just draw the picture. Okay, all of you tried it, I guess. Okay, Harsh, very good idea. You could eliminate those two options. Very good. Anyway, look at this. There are two lines passing through the origin 0, 0. Let us consider that. Before that, one line is passing through the coordinates xy 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 here. 1, 2 means this somewhere around here, and it is passing through origin also. So we can say when joining the lines, yeah, freehand drawing for me it is little difficult. So 1, 2, something like this, and second one. Another line is passing through the coordinates xy 1, 3, 1, 3. I will draw with another color. 1, 3. And that also goes through the origin 0, 0, na? That also goes through the origin 0, 0. That means it is something like this. Something like this. So now the area, what is the area enclosed between the lines at 0, 1? 0, 1. Okay. Okay, I think on the x-axis will be wrong then. On the x-axis is not there. On the line 0, 1, there is slight correction in the question, I guess. Okay, between, I think what they meant is between this line 0, 1, just a minute. Yeah, those of you attended the exam, do you remember? Is there any correction in the question? The confusion is which area they are asking. Yeah, I think a question should be such a way that the question is asking this area in between these two lines. This area in between these two lines, I think something more in the question should be there. Okay, it was like this itself, na? Okay, let me just check. Yeah, you people can try the next question. I will just mention. This question I will just cross check in one more source whether the question was exactly like this or try the next question by the meantime. Try this question. This is a good question. Yeah, this is correct. It's I have cross checked this question. Previous one, let me just cross check one more time. Okay, yeah, previous question there is a slight error. Yeah, what you people told also is correct, but I will just show you. Find the area enclosed between these two lines in the interval 0, 1. 0, 1 not coordinates. 0, 1 is what they mentioned. In the interval 0, 1. Yeah, a slight variation changes everything. This is not 0, 1 coordinates. Then we will be thinking that 0, 1 point. Na? In the interval, what is the area enclosed between the lines? In the interval or closed bracket, open closed bracket, you can mention like that. In the interval 0, 1. That is the meaning. that both means totally different things. 0, 1 in brackets, it means 0, 1 point. In the interval 0, 1 means, yeah, actually there may be some other variations in which you can write it. Anyway, what they mean is, in this range, in this 0 to 1 range, 0, 1 on the x-axis, 0, 1 on the x-axis, 0 to 1 range, you need to find the area of these two figures. Sorry, these two graphs. All of you understood? That means we can just draw this. We need to find this area. We need to find this area. Now it is clear to all of you. Those of you had doubt? So now let us easily find it. How you can find it? So this shaded region area is what you need to find, because this blue line, this red line, shade area between 0 to 1, area enclosed will be this. So how you can find it? The simplest way is, this is the base. You can consider this as the base and this as the height now. Area of this is a triangle now. Area of a triangle is half base into height. Just directly do it. Half base into height. So area of this triangle. What is this? From here to here, 2 to 3, base will be 1 unit. And height from 1 to 0, height will be 1 unit itself. So half into 1 into 1, this is enough. That is 0.5 or 1 by 2. Option B, option A, 0.5 is the answer. Did you all understood this? Please respond. Other ways are also there. If you want to complicate the scenario, or if you want to do it little more elaborately, you can find this rectangle minus this triangle. If this half base into height, you are not able to identify the base and height, then the other way is, consider this full rectangle, that is 1 into 3 rectangle. 3 will be the total area. From that you subtract this triangle. This triangle will be half of 3, 1.5. And this triangle also. That triangle will be half into 2 into 1. Half into base into height, because base height. Half into base into half into 1 into 2. That will be 3 minus, this is 1.5, this is 1. 3 minus 1.5 minus 1 will be 0.5 itself. That way also you can get the answer. Are you understanding? Both ways are correct. 0.5 will be the correct answer. All of you understood? Yes, Harsh. As I told earlier also in a paper analysis session last week also, I told you, base and height, there are different possibility. Considering this base, height will be this. Considering this as the base, height will be this. We need to consider this as the base because it is easy to find. Because we know this height, we know this base. That's why. So anyway, that gives you direct answer, 0.5. So, very good, Kapish. So if that is clear, this question, continue trying. Any answer for this question? Tomorrow we will discuss the afternoon session, that is civil engineering second set, life science, and just the third stream I forgot. 12th February afternoon set we will be discussing tomorrow. Okay, there is a slight correction. Line PQ and not ZV, UT are tangential to the circle. Yeah, even if you don't read that from the picture, it is obvious which are tangential. This is tangent, this is tangent. Okay, Harsh, good to hear. Yeah, there a visualization is there, na? Very true, Harsh. And also, if you are watching this session, do hit the like button. That will help this video to reach to more and more people. And do share this video to more and more people who want to watch this paper analysis. Okay, some of you got it. So this question also, there are different ways to do this question. So there are two squares here. Now with respect to that we can define, because all the four options have this two squares and this big square. Three squares are there. This square, this square, this square. All these three are different sized squares, because this is having this side length. This is a little more bigger. This is little more bigger. So anyway, I will call, let this be this be A side length and this be B side length. Is that much clear? A side length and B side length. So 1 minute. The picture is exactly like this. Now those of you attended this exam, the picture was exactly like this. What I am asking is, this line is going outside circle itself, na? That can you just confirm? Yes, it is exactly like this. Okay, then let us understand. Okay, this will be the, let us consider this as the radius of the circle, so I will use the letter R for radius. And one more clarification I need, those of you attended the exam, was it mentioned in the question somewhere that this is square, RSTU is square or not? Was it mentioned? Anyone remember? All these are squares or not? Was it mentioned? That is my question. This one, and this one, all these three are squares. Was it mentioned? I will also check. Sir, ST was the tangent. Let me check. ST was the tangent. Okay, that will change the scenario. Okay, it is mentioned all are squares, na? Okay, then that will simplify everything. Okay, all these are squares was mentioned. So area of square PRYQ, or area of square RSTU, and area of square PQVW, that is mentioned in the question. Then we can say, if this is, okay, do one thing. Please go to the next question. I will come back to this. I just how to check once more whether the picture is exactly like that. This question also we need a picture. I will draw it freehand. So this was a question of data interpretation asked. Mean, median, mode is needed here. Just a minute, I will draw the picture for this question. Yeah, this is memory based wordings or memory based question of day before yesterday's GATE exam. That is why we are just drawing it freehand. This is 3. This is 9. Okay. Three was here, 9 was here, 11 was here, 7 was here, 14 was here, 14, 2 was here, and 4 also was here. Yeah, you can just denote 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, it is not proportional. On freehand I am drawing 10, 12, 14. Then this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 9, and this is frequency. This is frequency. This is marks obtained, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is marks. X-axis have marks, Y-axis have frequency, and this is the given data. Now tell me, what is the answer? And previous question I will just cross-check once again if there is any correction in the question. And those of you remember this question also, please check it and let me know whether there is any mistake. Yes, Kripavaram, totally correct. Yes, this kind of question, data interpretation question in CSIR also, it is frequently asked. And some of you are preparing for tomorrow's NET exam for physics now. So all the best, and day after tomorrow you have life science also, right? Sorry, mathematical science and chemical science also, and life science also on the next day. All of you, all the best for your CSIR-NET exam who are preparing for CSIR-NET exam. Okay, Harsh, okay, Patatri. So, yes, Harsh, I will explain. So I will explain this. Listen carefully. Mode, median, mode idea should be clear to do this question. The frequency chart shows the frequency distribution of the marks obtained by a set of students in an exam, which is true. School days you have done this kind of question a lot. That was asked in GATE exam. So let us find mode, median and mode. What is mode? Maximum occurring observation. 7. The mark 7 is occurring for 14 students. X-axis is mark. So 14 is the maximum longest bar. So definitely mode is 7, not 14. 14 is the frequency of it. Mode is 7 because 7 is occurring the maximum number of times. Mode is the easiest to find. Is that clear? How we found mode? Please respond. Now median we will find. What is the median? Median is the middle term. But here how many terms are there? How many terms are there? 3 terms, 9 terms, 11 terms, 7 terms, 14 terms, 2 terms, 4 terms. Terms means what? Number of people, number of students. Number of students getting 3 marks, 3 students. That is the meaning of this. Number of students getting 4 marks, 9 students. That means if you list out this data, 3 will be written 3 times. 3 will be written 3 times, 3, 3, 3. Then 4 will be written 9 times. 4 will be written 9 times. 5 will be written 11 times. Then 7 will be written 14 times. Then 8 will be written 2 times. 8 will be written 2 times. 9 will be written 4 times. This is the meaning. So if you add 3, 9, 11, 7, 14, 2, 4, total 50 students are there, you will understand. 50 students, how many marks they got? That is what the question is saying. If 50 observation, these are the 50 observation. 50 observation, which will be the middle value. This was asked in a previous GATE exam question also. Given 100 data, this is the salary of 100 people. There the graph was not there. So what is the median was asked? 45,000, something like that was that answer then. So very similar to that, here 50 data, median will be the average of 25th and 26th data. Why 25th and 26th? If even number of observations are there, we can say median will be average of or mean of two middle values. 50 observation, 25th and 26th observation, middle value. So 25th and 25th and 26th observation will be what? This is already in increasing order, that is why we don't have to make it in increasing order anymore. This is completing 3 observations. 3 plus 9, 12 observation. 12 plus 11, 23 observation. So 24th observation to 31st observation, 6 itself is the mark. So definitely median will be average of 6 and 6. Average of 6 and 6 will be 6 itself, na? If both the observations are same, average is also same. Are you understanding this point? Mean, median, mode, basic idea is being checked. Now, mean is so simple. It is time consuming, but it is simple only. What does mean? The weighted average concept you need to use. Weighted average. 3 into 3, 4 into 9, 5 into 11, 6 into 7, 7 into 14, 8 into 2, 9 into 4, divided by 50. As it is GATE exam, as virtual calculator is there, that calculation part is not a big problem. In CSIR-NET exam, calculators may not be given, but in GATE calculators are given. So 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 9 is 36, 5 into 11 is 55, 6 into 7 is 42, 7 into 14 is 98, 8 into 2 is 16, 9 into 4 is 36. Add it up and divide by 50. Why 50? We already, for median purpose, we already found total number of observation is 50. So sum of observation divided by number of observation will be mean, na? Sum of observation will be adding 9 plus. Yeah, what you found? Anyone found the mean? What is the mean? Please mention in the chat what is the mean you found. Add it up and divide by 50. 9, 36, 45, 45 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 200. 214, 240, 240, 290, sorry, 240 plus 280, 290, 90 something I guess, approximately, I'm just roughly saying 290 by 50, that is 580 by 100, 5.8 I guess. It is below 6, that only we need to find. So definitely mode is greater than median is greater than mean is correct. 7 greater than 6 greater than 5.8 now. We need approximation only for mean because we need to check whether 6 is above that value or below that value. So option C is the correct answer. When the original question paper comes, we will get more clarity of how the data was represented. No problem, Harsh. Yeah, calculator is there in GATE exam, so definitely this will be simple. All of you understood this? This question, actually the picture is not fully available with me. How many questions did we try? How many we completed already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 already completed. This question we need to make a clarity. Let us try that. For that, this one also. This one actually, this picture I am having some confusion. Because if you remember the question, picture was exactly like this, na? Students have sent me the picture. So if there is any correction in the picture, please let me know. Those of you attended it. Don't worry, Kripavaram. Some questions are like that. It's okay. So try this. This one also, I think we may have to spare till the original question paper comes, so that we understand whether there is any corrections in the picture or something. Monica, GATE exam, we have completed a complete crash course for GATE already in this channel. Check it out. The playlist is visible. Okay, all of you try it. If the picture is exactly like this, we will discuss. Make a try. It's a very interesting question, like a chess problem, or like what we can say, knight movement. All of you try it, please. P3 is not shaded. P3 was not shaded. Yeah, those of you attended this exam, if you remember, if there is any correction, please mention. Srishti is telling that P3 was unshaded. This P3 means this one. Okay, clarify it, all of you. I think we will wait for the original question paper to come to get the idea. Anyway, to give you idea what was the next question, this was another question asked. This is a good question actually. Or in the upcoming class I will try to clarify if there was any change in the question. Anyway, try it as a homework question, and this also I didn't get the original full question. Once I get the original question I will show you. So these are the 10 questions asked. 3 questions we didn't get full clarity of the question paper. So once we get that we will correct it, and this question I'm still confused. Yeah, still confused about the picture. I'm just checking that source. Just a minute. All of you look into this and see whether you are getting an answer. P3 was shaded, Swati. Okay. Okay, anyway, just a minute, I will check. Let me check if this question is available in the other sources. Okay, that previous question, actually what I am seeing in another sources, all those are squares itself. So then there will be a slight correction in the picture. It should be like this then it is easy. The problem was how much more it is, or whether it is a rectangle, that was a confusion. So if it is a square, it is easy only, because you can take this as the radius, this as the radius, this as the radius. It is so simple. Listen carefully. So I am just correcting, we can just assume this is the correct question. When the original question paper comes, if there is any variation, that time we can change it. So this is radius, this is radius. So, and as the question says that, so this one can be a different size, so I will call that say A. Let A be the side length of this square itself. But this is radius, so I am calling R itself. All these are R itself. So we need to find this and this comparison. So this is going to be A square. Are you all agreeing that? This square will be equal to R square, side length square. That is also clear now. Then what about this? You can use Pythagoras theorem. If this is A, this is also A. And this is going to be root of A square plus R square, this side length. That means that this square area will be A square plus R square. Are you all agreeing that? A square plus R square, super easy now. Yeah, that clarity only was needed. Now it is super easy question. Now check it, what is the relation? This area plus this area is equal to this area. So now you have to check whether directly the answer options are given like that or not. This area plus this area is equal to this area. PRYQ is this one, equal to area of PSTU minus PQVW, wrong. It is plus. If plus was here, this was correct, but this is minus, so that is wrong. RSTU is this. That is PQVW plus PRXY. No, this plus this is not this. This minus this is this. So that way option B is also wrong. PRYQ is PRYX now. Sorry. PRYX is this, equal to PSTU. All these three are equal, that is told. No, A square, R square, A square plus R square are not equal. So option C is also wrong. So option D should be the correct answer. Let's see. PQVW is this area, A square. This is A square, equal to PRYX is A square plus R square, and RSTU is R square. This difference is exactly A square now. A square plus R square minus R square is A square. So definitely fourth option is the correct answer. Did you all understood this? Yeah, now the picture is clear. This was tangent actually, so that is a mistake in the picture. All other things are correct itself. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Is it clear? This one, let the official question paper comes. Spatial aptitude question was there. We are folding, but exact picture we don't have. This one also, let the official question paper comes. I will clarify it. So 8 questions we discussed. Those 8 questions are clear, I guess. And those of you attended the exam, how many questions you think is correct with respect to this? Okay, CSIR, it was given in the question itself, that was tangent, na? Okay. So that was this physics and biotechnology and ecology question paper. Many of you, most of you who attended my class was in this, got this question paper, I guess. So, and once again, thank you all of you for sharing the memory based questions, and thank you again Pratik, Swati, Srishti for compiling all these and typing all these and sending to me. It helped me to conduct today's session. So tomorrow we will conduct life science paper analysis, life science, civil engineering second, and also one more stream, I forgot which is the third stream. So all these three had the afternoon session. GATE Saturday afternoon session question paper will be discussed tomorrow. So that's it. Hope today's session was useful for all of you. If so, do hit the like button and share this to more and more people. Yes, Swati, taking example also will work perfectly. Okay, Harsh, very good. 9 out of 10 you got it right. Wonderful. 2 wrong I did, mean, well, okay, Padatri. That is still okay, Padatri. Other questions you got it right now. Very good. Okay, so that's it. I'm concluding here. See you all tomorrow. And about the courses and about the classes, let me know in the comments and let others know about these series and this paper analysis and also the crash course we have conducted in this channel, so that more people will know about these classes, and that will help these classes to reach more and more people. I'm planning to start a new version of this course if more people are interested. A full-length complete course covering everything needed for 2023 GATE exam. Any of your friends or any of you planning for attending or planning for trying GATE 2023, a full-length course like 3-month or 2-month course I'm planning to start in this channel. If crowd is there, so do subscribe this channel and do share this channel to more and more people. And thank you all. Take care all of you. So tomorrow we will meet again, and tomorrow 11 a.m. there is a YouTube live for CSIR-NET aspirants. Most important expected questions for CSIR-NET in Unacademy YouTube channel will be conducting that. You can be part of any of these resources so that you will get updates whenever I go live. So okay, Harsh, same to you. Okay, so that's it. Thank you all. Take care all of you. Have a good day. Bye bye.